How to fix display driver Nvidia Windows kernel mode driver 446.14 stopped responding and successfully recovered error on Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help you with so-called display driver Nvidia Windows kernel mode driver 446.14, version number, stopped responding and successfully recovered error on Windows 10. 1. Doing the factory reset after you back up your personal data. 2. Installing all Windows updates. 3. Stop using IEFFS. 4. Enable use software rendering instead of GPU in IE 11. 5. Adjust visual effects for better performance. 6. Locate to the following registry subkey, HKey _ local _ machine / system / current control set / control / graphics drivers. For 32-bit Windows users, select DWORD, 32-bit, value. Type TDR delay as the name and then select enter. Double-click TDR delay and add 8 for the value data and then select OK. For 64-bit Windows users, select QWERTY, 64-bit, value. Type TDR delay as the name and then select enter. Double-click TDR delay and add 8 for the value data and then select OK. Close registry editor and then restart your computer. 7. Change power management setting to high performance. And disable link state power management under PCI Express. Select power management mode to prefer maximum performance for global settings tab under manage 3D settings. 8. Uninstall Nvidia graphics. drivers with Device Manager and download the latest one.